Hi, my name's Mark from R&J Machinery, and today we're going to spotlight the TigerStop TS1000 fully automatic upcutting saw. So what we have is our saw and we have our TigerStop pusher. This pusher can push up to a maximum of 80 kg and we can go to lengths up to 9.6 meters in length. We also offer the HD version, which can push up to 600 kg with a maximum of 24 meters in length. The control panel is a Windows Surface PC, simple interface for the operator to use. We can download a cutting list from the office, or we can manually input at the screen. The TigerStop system is really simple to use. We can load a program. We just press the load button. It takes us to the file. We can load our program, open, and it brings it into the screen. We can load up to 3 programs in one option, and we can also swap the programs to which one we want to prioritize to cut first. We also have several other functions. We can just use the move function to move our pusher, because we can also use it as a stop as well as a pushing system. We can have some preset programs already set in. And then we also have management statistic reports where we can map jobs, look at the time it's taken, the operators, etc., just for your own management files. Okay, so now let's look at the actual TS1000 saw. As standard, we have a 500mm diameter blade. In this version, we're using a wood blade, but we do the TS2000 specific for non-ferrous metals. We also have the option of side clamps, as well as a top pressure clamp to keep the material square against the back fence. This means we get accurate cutting every time. So, let's see the Tiger saw in action. Over and above the standard TS1000 specification, there are several options which a lot of customers do choose. They are crayon defect marking, for marking out defects in your timber. Second option is automatic length measuring, so the operator doesn't have to input the stock length every time. And lastly, label printing, where we can set up the label printer through the software so that it gives you the information that you require on your label. If you'd like to find out more information or any technical specifications about any of the TigerStop products, just give us a call or drop us an email at R&J Machinery.